Sure who the third one is. Okay. All right, so our other driver out there is Carson Kelly. These are our J Racing runabouts. They will be doing 3 laps on a 3-minute gun. So
9, 8, 7, 6.
All right, you see
5,
see the one boat
4,
making a turn across.
3,
Second boat starting
2,
to do that right now.
1, mark. White flag.
All right,
we're now at
1
the
minute
white
to your
flag.
start. And we're going to run at the end of the program. We're going to probably see the same boats without the restrictor plates.
Correct.
As K runabout, K Pro runabout, excuse me. The outboards confuse me more than the inboards at times. Probably way above my pay scale. You know what I get paid, don't you?
Well, nothing of nothing is nothing.
I'm here.
So give yourself a raise.
Yep. No, we have fun though. We didn't get paid anything, but we have fun. That's what it's all about. Enjoy doing this immensely. All right, coming down for our start. We're at 12, 11, 10.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, mark. Green flag.
All right. Nobody over. That's good.
Got a good start.
Definitely a different sound there in that third boat, isn't it? That engine doesn't sound the same as the other two.
No, it doesn't.
And I'm not close enough right now to tell whether we got Mercury and OMC, and that could be what it is. I know back when I was running OPC and I ran a 4-cylinder, a 99 cubic inch Evinrude or a John Rude, because Johnson and Evinrude were the same motor, just with different cowlings and paint. The engine I ran sounded so different to the Mercury's, it was insane. And because of where you sit in a tunnel boat and where the exhaust is, you didn't hear your boat per se, but you could hear the others coming. And I always knew when there was guys coming up on my right. And the Mercury's had 15 horsepower, I think, over the Evinrude. But still fun to drive. All right, coming down.
So I believe this is Carson in the lead.
That the 25? Not the one. Is that the one he's driving? Is the 25?
No,
Nope,
that's Ryder that's
okay.
driving the 25.
Okay.
Harper's in the 23.
That's pretty sure that's a 25 right there, isn't it?
I believe so. I believe the 23 was in front of it.
All right. Once again to the ramp pits. Russell Mead, as soon as you're able, please make your way to the tower. Russell Mead, as soon as you're able, to the tower. These boats, entry level for the kids. I've seen them run on a 1 2/3 course. And unless there's a dozen or more, it's not a lot of fun always. I mean, they're not going that fast. They are not going to go that fast. Not able to. The thing about it is it's so competitive. I would have loved to have been able to go and watch some of the stock outboard nationals. But the weekend we were doing any at was stock outboard nationals at Moses Lake. And although it's only maybe an hour apart, if that, some about an hour, just no way of doing it. But these guys can be so competitive, and used to be, I won't say today, I've done a couple of races with outboards, not my specialty, and I admit it. But if you can get 8, 10, 12 of these running at once, you got a whale of a show. Uh, and they're so competitive. It's so fun to watch the kids go out there in these and in the hydros, especially these junior racers. You know, they're trying so hard, and they want to do their best, even more so than the older folks that are involved in this. Uh, and it's fun. I remember being at Seafair one year, and I think it was Carson Kelly's first time in one of the J boats, and he went out and won. Uh, I don't know that he totally knew what was going on. I have a pretty good idea he did, but watching the boats run down there in the lagoon or whatever you want to, that little bay kind of formed down there in water that was not fit for anybody to run in.
Here we go to checkered.
All right.
I believe that's Carson Kelly right there.
Yep.
Followed by
I think that's Carson.
Harper and Ryder.
All right.
So they will come back in, they'll refuel, and we're going to send them right back out.
Checker flag and black flag all in one.
So these three will be right back out on the water for you shortly.
Thank you, Russell.
Right now, Darren. All right, next up is going to be T-boats, 1.5 stock. We have 7 of them. Crane lemon. For the national mod, yes, they do have to have a radio person here.
I'm going to make you move over a little bit
No,
so I
that's,
can
we
get
can
out of the
also
sun.
move this, and we will as the day goes on. We'll need to, in fact.
Talk to your son.
Yeah.
Stuff like this doesn't happen when you're here. So this is on you. As soon as this
That's
FOMO
fair.
clears, we're going to hold the boat at the beach.
You know, he'd say the same thing
If
about
you're
you.
ready, I can send out the tees.
Well, that's why this, John asked me to do it.
Yeah.
And then Aaron calls me later. No.
Aren't you running
Zach
another
needs to do
runabout
it
heat
because
before
he
the
needs to
tees?
be in that situation.
Oh, it's my fault.
You need a situation.
Yeah. I'm sorry, sir. I'm foggy. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Runabouts are turning around. Let me know when they're ready, Beach. I'm sorry, Kip.
It's the first thing I've ever done.
You're fine, bud.
Leadership type, yeah.
Know when the J runabouts are turned around, please. Still working on it.
No, and the thing, you're going to do fine with it because your temperament.
Yeah.
And that's.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, Kenneth.
Fuel them up. Should be any second. Okay, we're going to stand by for a 3-minute gun, 3 laps for the second running of the J runabouts.
Excuse myself for just a second, and I will be back.
You're leaving me again?
I'm going to go use the facilities.
While we're waiting for our next heat, this is a reminder that Cindy with the fire department is selling cotton candy, popcorn, snow cones, and lemonade. If you need some refreshments to help you cool down, please go visit her at her location. Also, the car show continues to be going on the other side of the pits in the grass area. Go visit the Austin Martins and the Jaguars. I'm sure they're beautiful cars. I've not been able to make my way down there, but they are sure luxury. We'd like to thank our title sponsor, Strong Racing, Daryl and Vanessa Strong. Thank you so much for assisting in supporting this wonderful Terry Troxel Memorial and Pateros Classic Regatta. We appreciate you and all that you're doing for our sport. A big thank you also goes out to Northwest Wholesale, Wright's Dollar Store, Cody's Salon, KB Marine, Chris Kenner Racing Specialties, Valor Law Group, Eisenhart Excavation, Brewster Marketplace. Thank you so much for your sponsorship. We couldn't do this without you. We love being here in Pateros and really appreciate your support.